Good afternoon. I am Arpita Ghosh and you are watching Terror Talk. 64 bomb blasts in 6 months, and that is excluding the Mumbai attacks on 26 November 2008 on the Taj and Oberoi Trident. So many attacks in India in the past decade have actually made us realize something. Our security measures are not helping at all. I am right now at Karol Bagh, which in fact has witnessed a terrorist attack in itself on 13 September 2008. Let me ask the people over here, what do they think should India do, and why do they think that the terrorist attacks should become so frequent? With me I have, may I know your name, sir?
Vikrant.
Sir, you are a resident of Karol Bagh. Were you present when there were terrorist attacks that happened in Karol Bagh on 13 September?
I was at my home.
Okay. So I would just like to ask you one question and one question only, and that is, why do you think, do you think there should be a separate ministry for Homeland Security?
Definitely, it should be there.
Thank you. And do you think so many terrorist attacks that have happened in India all of a sudden? Why do you think? Is it because of failing of our security measures?
There is some loopholes which terrorists are exploiting again and again. I think we need to cover them.
Thank you. So as we heard from Vikrant that he wanted, that the loophole should be covered, that the government should see and look and observe and, literally find out what the loopholes are in our security measures. I have another resident of Karol Bagh with me. May I know your name, ma'am?
Hi, I'm Abhishruti.
Hi, Abhishruti. You are a resident of Karol Bagh, right?
Yeah, I'm living here.
Okay. I just want to ask you a very general question. Why do you think all of a sudden India is facing so many terrorist attacks?
I think it's possibly because of the failure of our security system. Because I'm actually I belong to Assam, but I'm living here right now. Assam has also faced a lot of terror attacks right now, and Delhi also, and now Mumbai. I definitely think that maybe because the government knows about it and the government is action, because of which all this is happening.
So, do you feel safe here? Do you feel safe anywhere in India?
See, life moves on. I mean, of course, there at the back of your mind you feel insecure of the fact that, maybe you go out, you never get back home. But life moves on and you have to go out and, get work done.
Alright. I have another resident of Karol Bagh with me. Sir, may I know your name? Okay, Surinder. Surinder जी, क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि जो टेररिस्ट अटैक्स जो करोल बाग में और मुंबई में, दिल्ली में, असम वगैरह में जो हर जगह हो रहे हैं, तो क्या ये सही है कि हम एक ही कम्युनिटी को ब्लेम करते हैं टेररिस्ट अटैक के लिए?
ये तो गलत रहेगा कि ओनली मुस्लिम धर्म को ही कहा जाता है। सेटलमेंट पूरी होती है कि इंडिया के अंदर भी कुछ ऐसे टेररिस्ट होते हैं जिन्होंने पूरी पाकिस्तान से मिले होते हैं। अफ्रीका में भी हुआ ऐसे किसी के देश में ऐसे कौन कर देगा, कोई जाके कैसे कर देगा, इसलिए तो मुस्लिम धर्म को ही नहीं कहा जाता।
So as we see, the sentiment right now here is that the security measures of India needs to be worked out better. And India is right now facing the sentiment that not every Muslim is a terrorist, but every terrorist is a Muslim. But we really need to look at our security measures. We need to question our government, what they are doing. With cameraman Vikas, Arpita Ghosh. Thank you.